Welcome to the instructions video for the LBT wooden TV stand. We are here to seamlessly walk you through the steps of assembling the TV stand. So, pause the video at each step and assemble with us. We have simplified the installation process down to 10 easy steps. Before starting out for each step, prepare by arranging the parts shown on your screen. In the first step, we will assemble the base of the metal frame. Simply follow the steps on the screen. Please make sure that both bars numbered 17 measure 22 inches from left to the center before securing them. We will now assemble the sides of the metal frame. After securing the side bars, please measure and confirm that the distance from both the sides to the center of the metal frame is the same. In step 3, we will add rails to the partition boards 6, 7, and 8. But before securing the rails, make sure you place all screws named A in their respective slots. It is now time to build the cabinet. Prep plank 5 by attaching boards 6, 7, and 8. Then slide plank 15 in place and complete the cabinet by attaching plank 4 on top. In step 5, we will use 4G screws to attach the metal frame to the cabinet that you have just built. For the next step, prep board 3 with screws A and dowels B, then simply attach it to plank 4. Step 7 can't get any simpler. All you have to do is attach and secure plank 1 and plank 2 with the help of screws A and dowels B. Next, follow the steps on your screen to attach the cabinet top you built in step 7 to the rest of the structure. We are almost done here, guys. It's time to build some drawers. For the left drawer, we will first prep sideboards 11 and 12. Fix the handle on board 9, then assemble the 3 boards together and slide board 14 in place. Thereafter, complete your cabinet by attaching board 13. Now, repeat step 9 to build the right side drawer. Just make sure to use board number 10 in place of board number 9 for the right drawer. Now, all you need to do is slide the 2 drawers into the cabinet slots and your TV stand is ready. Thank you for patiently building the LBT wooden TV stand with us. Take care and stay safe.